In the Balkans, Easter is not any ordinary holiday. It symbolizes traditions that are thousands of years old and a day to spend with family and friends. Easter is not just about the amazing food, it's about the people that you spend it with. Let's check out some of our traditions and how we spend Easter.
The night before Easter, we go to church and we go around the church with candle, and then we bring the light from the candle at home.
In Orthodox tradition, we go to church the night before Easter for midnight liturgy. Before the liturgy starts, we take 3 laps around the church premises because it resembles the journey of life. 1 lap for meeting risen Christ, a second one for mirroring the procession to the tomb and the ultimate, and a third one for entering the kingdom of God. The food that we make on Easter is mostly specific only to that holiday. We eat lamb, a variety of spring salads, and eggs. Lots of eggs. We typically only eat lamb on Easter, and everything that we do eat is all prepared by the families that come. Each family brings their own dish, and we all sit at the table and talk for hours.
We bring the whole family, and since we don't have that much family here in the United States, we bring a lot of friends. So we typically could be from 20 to 30 people in the house, sometimes more, sometimes less. It all depends on the year.
The painting egg tradition dates back thousands of years.
It comes from a long time ago. It's given from generation to generation. I know it from my grandma, and she knows it from her grandma. There's lots of legend about the red egg and where it all comes from, but I know it from my grandma.
In Orthodox culture, we have egg wars on Easter. To play, you match up your eggs tops with tops and bottoms with bottoms. You then take turns hitting each egg trying to break theirs but not yours. Each player has 1 hit, either top or the bottom. This is Vivanov dance group. The group started dancing almost 10 years ago and is led by Vladu Ivanov. Dancing is very important in our community, especially in Chicago, since we are very far from home. We dance to keep us connected to our roots. Each dancer is extremely important, and one small mistake could skew the outcome for the whole dance.
Hi, my name is Valentin Ivanov. I'm a director of Ivanov Dance Group, and I'm teaching Bulgarian traditional dance.
I've been teaching here in America for about 11 or 12 years, but when I was in Bulgaria, that's all I did, and I majored in choreography in university. My favorite part is to show people that don't really know our dances, especially kids, to grow with our culture, and that's the most important thing for me. Our rehearsals are every week, and I make sure for them to be difficult because nothing happens easy.
Hello, my name is Nicole, and I'm from Vivanov Dance Group. I've been dancing for 10 years now. I dance because it brings me a lot of different emotions. So for when we all gather and practice, I feel relief, I feel I can just focus on my dance, and also the social interactions I get from my group are beyond replaceable. Makes me feel closer to my origin, Bulgaria. It makes me feel closer to where we're kind of stranded off over the seas now, too far away from, but definitely brings me my sense of individuality, and there's just so many different costumes from so many different regions, so every one of the costumes makes you feel kind of different.
Hi, my name is Stefan. I'm 23 years old. I've been dancing for about 15, 16 years now, and I came to the US about 10 years ago. It was a drastic change. It was initially a little bit of a culture shock, coming from Bulgaria to the US, trying to meet a bunch of new people, but eventually I was able to find a bunch of good, close friends, and of course I was able to reconnect with all my Bulgarians here in the US. For me, community is very important, and it's not just, community as in like within our dance group or within anything else. It's just Bulgarians in general, in Chicago and America, and just gathering together and just keeping the community together.